Welcome to this session of Standard 9, Subject History, Chapter 5, Education. National Institute of Design. This institute was established in Ahmedabad in the year 1961 for the purpose of imparting training in industrial design. Courses in basic design, graphic design, product design and visual communication was started in the year 1963 and 64. The work done by this institute includes designing of calculators, transistors, radio and logos of Indian Airlines and State Bank of India. This institute functions as an autonomous body under the Department for the Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade, which is also called as DPIIT. The short form of National Institute of Design is NID. NID is recognized by the Department of Scientific and Industrial Research under the Ministry of Science and Technology, Government of India, as a scientific and industrial designing research organization. Children, here we are going to see the Research Institute of Medicine in detail about the functioning and the working of this institute. In the post-independence period in the year 1949, the Indian Council of Medical Research, that is ICMR, was established for conducting the research in medical field. It was given the responsibility of cooperating with the universities, medical colleges, government and non-government research institutes and giving them the guidance and financial support for research activities. The All India Institute of Medical Institutes, that is AIIMS, was established to give further impetus to advance education and research in medicine. So we come to know here that the Indian Council for Medical Research, that is ICMR, was established in the year 1949 for conducting the research work in the medical field and was given the responsibility of cooperating with various universities, medical colleges, government and non-government research institutes and giving them guidance and financial support for the research activity. 26 research centers were started in different parts of the country for the research on the various diseases, which made it possible to control tuberculosis and leprosy. Children, the All India Institute of Medical Science, that is AIIMS, was established in order to give the further impetus to advance education and research in medicine. It is responsible for conducting graduate and postgraduate courses in the medicine also. Further, continuing with this ICMR, colleges for the graduate and the postgraduate in most of the branches of medicine, good research facilities and well equipped are significant features of this institute. For the development of medical field, the Medical Council of India was constructed in the year 1958 and was entrusted the task of determining the criteria for quality of medical education, its supervision and inspection. These institutes have the responsibility of conducting research on various diseases, developing tests and standardization of medicine. We can see here, as it was given the responsibility to this institute for conducting graduate and postgraduate courses in the medicine, the significant feature of this institute was including the colleges in most of the branches of medicine with good research facilities and well-equipped hospitals. The institute is responsible for providing medical treatment to the common people at nominal rates. It has established special colleges for training in nursing as also super specialty centers for the treatment of disorders of heart, brain and eyes. Medical Council of India was restructured in the year 1958 and was entrusted the task of determining the criteria for quality of medical education, its supervision and inspection. This institute conducted research on various diseases, developed tests and standardized medicine. The Advanced Centers for Treatment, Research and Education in Cancer, a branch of Tata Memorial Center, is a national center for the treatment and research education pertaining to cancer. Children, here is another do you know. In the year 1969, the Central Council for Research in India, Medicine and Homeopathy was established to conduct research, bring about development in the Ayurvedic, Naturopathy, Unani and Homeopathy system of medicine. In the year 1979, this institute was dissolved and replaced by three others, namely, number 1, Central Council for Research in Unani Medicine, number 2, Central Council for Research in Homeopathy, Central Council for Research number 3 in Yoga and Nature Care in accordance with respective clinical methodologies. See, it is the Central Council of Research in India was an autonomous body which comes under the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare to promote research and development in different Indian system of medicine on scientific lines. As you can see, the term Unani medicine have come, children. The meaning of Unani is, it's a term which is used in the Arabic tradition medicine as practiced in the Muslim culture in South Asia, which is in today's day known as, modern day known as Central Asia. Cancer Research. The Advanced Center for Treatment, Research and Education in Cancer is a branch of Tata Memorial Center. It functions as National Center for Treatment, Research and Education in relation to the cancer. Tata Memorial Hospital is situated in Parel in Mumbai in India, children, popularly known as TMH. That's a short form of Tata Memorial Hospital. It is a specialist cancer treatment and research center, closely associated with the Advanced Center for Treatment, Research and Education in Cancer. As you can see, the logo of 4th February World Cancer Day. 4th February is observed as a World Cancer Day to raise the awareness of cancer and to encourage its prevention, detection and treatment among the people. Children, here we are going to see the Research Institute of Agriculture. The Indian Agricultural Research Institute was given the status of the university in the year 1958, and work began in the departments such as development of agriculture sector, research soil science, etc. Research also began on wheat pulses, oil seeds and many other problems. Its most significant achievement is fundamental research it has conducted on method of taking multiple crops in a year, which has been great benefit to the farmers. This institute maintains library as its head office in Delhi, which is the biggest agriculture related library in the country. So we come to know here that, children, research in agriculture had began in India in 1905. The Indian Agricultural Research Institute was given the status of a university in 1958. Under this university, the agricultural schools, colleges began work in departments such as development of the agricultural sector, research well-equipped laboratories, soil science, agricultural science, economic botany, etc. They also began research on wheat, pulses, oil seeds, vegetables and on many problems. The most significant achievement of this institute has been its fundamental research on the method of taking multiple crops in a year, which benefited to a lot of farmers. This institute has a library as its head office in Delhi, which is the biggest agriculture related library in the country, students.
Thank you.